Welcome guys, thanks for joining me tonight. We're going to do a product test and review on the Milestone MHT-L1081 thermal label printer. This, like I say, is a label thermal paper that you put in, not inkjet paper. So don't try using inkjet paper because you'll not get very far. It's an 108mm label printer, 203 dots per inch. You can use labels like 4x6 for shipping labels like this one. In the box you get the printer, the power block, USB cable. You will get this connector, which is a USB-C to USB. You'll get USB key with the drivers and software on. Nice little USB key that's got Milestone's logo on it. You will also get the user manual. You will get a gift card. Basically the gift card, what that is, you scan the QR code there, it'll ask you to enter your name, address and details in. You enter them and send it through, and Milestone will send you a free gift of 1,000 labels free of charge. You also get a self-test to show you that it is working. It gives you a few details there on the printer, on that test, and you will get these labels, or the 4x6. As I say, I did do another test print earlier, which came out pretty good. I'm quite impressed with this printer, to be honest. That's the print that it came out with. That was just a test label. Very fast printer, which I will demonstrate. But before I demonstrate it, I'll show you a few things on the printer. On here it's got a cutter blade, so it perforates the sheet for you when you rip it off. Your function button there gives you a few features like turn off long press feed, key and power key, self check, page printing, standby long press feed, key for 3 seconds, enter the face sheet, learning mode. Yeah, basically what will happen is when you put the labels in, it will feed the labels in and then shoot them back a bit. All that's doing is checking to see what label you have got in the printer. It's learning the label. It's got intelligent paper return and suction, reprint for lacking paper, defective pixel detection and other functions. There's no built-in paper bin, but there is an optional paper stand that you can buy, so that if you're using sheet labels like this, it'll just sit in the bottom of the stand, or you can buy them on a roll like that. So if you buy them on a roll, it's got a bar on the top of the stand that it just it'll go through the side of the holder, and it'll just feed the labels through for you. So it's pretty good. Paper width is 38B, 120mm. You can use the printer with various shopping channels like Etsy, UPS, eBay, Amazon, PayPal, Shopify, DHL, Easy Shape, quite a few other sites as well. It will also do PDF printing, so you can use a PDF file of the label. If if the couriers have sent you the label by PDF, just load it into Adobe and just click set the print settings to 4:6 and just print the label out onto thermal label paper. This printer is made by a company called Milestone. They are based in China, and they are based in, let me just find out where they're based in. As you know, China's a big place. It's Milestone Intelligent Electronic Company in Guangzhou. Company Limited, located in Guangzhou. It's an high-tech enterprise specialising in thermal printing equipment, printing solutions, printer software. They were founded in 2012. They're professional manufacturers of thermal printer, including POS, point-of-sale printers, mobile printers, receipt printers, barcode printers, POS terminal machines, label printers. So the printer itself isn't heavy. It basically weighs the weight of a bag of sugar, 1 kilo. The product is 222 by 102 by 96 millimeters in size. It is quiet and it is quick and it is a clear print. What I'll do is I shall show you how to feed the labels in. That'll be all that beeping is telling you that there's no labels in, so it's just basically telling you to feed some labels. So all you do is at the back there's an opening here with the size thing. You just push it across to it. You just push the labels in like that. I'll just put that across there. Right. Basically you just push the label in like that. The printer will detect, oops, the printer will detect the labels to tell you that, right, I'll just wait for that beeping. Right, what happens there is, all that's doing is, it's fed the label in, it's learned that the label that you've got on, the position of it. As you can see, there's gaps between each label, and it just detects the gap between the label. So basically that's now loaded in, and then all you'll do is, I've got a demo label here, which I will test it with. Once you've installed the drivers, it'll say in your printer section MHT-L1081. I've got it set to fit, set to 4x6 inch labels, and I'm on portrait mode. So I'm going to do 4 labels. And this will show you how quick and quiet it is. Right, that's not going to print because that is my mistake. I have put the labels in upside down, which is not going to help. So basically you lift those levers. There's 2 levers on the sides here. You just push them forward and that'll open it. So if you get labels jammed, or you want to, you finish with the printer, you want to take the labels out, you just lift that up and put it back in. You take it out. So basically I'll just fold these back up. That was my mistake. I'll just check. Right, so basically you've got your labels like that. Load the labels into the sheet feeder. Oops. That checks it, and then all you do is you go on to print. I'll set it to 4 labels so you can see how quick it is. Oops. Right, so I'll just push that back so you can see it printing. And then just click on print. As you can see, it is printing the labels out for you, like that. So I'll just open that back up now. Take the labels out. Close that. I'll just switch it off to stop it beeping. As you can see, it prints the label really clear. Prints it really fast. Then that label is ready just to peel off. Like I said, these are just demo labels, not real labels. They're just a sample, so the narrator take off and stick onto your parcel. They're not real labels, so you can't really use them. They're just a sample label. Right, the printer does come with drivers and software. The software that it comes with is for Windows. It comes with Label Life label editor. It has a printer tool for testing. The printer to make sure it's communicating. There's D-label barcode editing software for the PC. For the Mac, you have got the printer driver installer, and you've got printer Mac tool. For Linux, it comes with CentOS 7 MHT driver. This company as well is partners with some very big well-known companies. Partners are Plus Tech Security, Post Tech Rugged Parts, Durable Machines, Honeywell Aerospace, Epson, CodeSoft, Adele, M.Dot, Volis, Aurifo ID, Zebra Technologies, Flytech, Umoy, Volis Official Partners, Smart Logic Technology, and iPoint. So you can tell, just be looking at them companies. They are reputable, well-known companies. So you know they're going to be a really decent company. They have got certificates, quite a few certificates in test reports, certificate of compliance, and stuff like that. It does come with a CE mark. After sales service is very good. Dedicated support your service. Enjoy peace of mind knowing a dedicated support team is just a phone call away, email address, or instant talking online. They provide care, troubleshooting support from the best technical experts in the industry. your goods, when you buy goods from them, the goods are tracked. Repair management, industry leading repair management, let us handle the RMA creation, shipping and re-imaging. Whether you use Milestone state-of-the-art repair service or have a direct repair contract with an equipment manufacturer, they'll manage all aspects of the process, so it's worry-free from start to finish. Device triage, repairs completed correctly the first time. The support technicians save you time and money with full device triage both before and after any equipment repair. Premium customer web supports keep your device up to date. Thereafter, service support makes it easy to submit service requests, track the status of repairs and view service history. Available online 24/7. It makes it convenient to access services updates wherever and whenever the teams need it. View your device repair history, statistics and spare pull status with a simple check by email or send inquiry of questions on their website, and empowering yourself to make better business decisions. So you are buying with confidence from Milestone. If you go onto their website, click on download service, you look for your printer in the list, and you can download the drivers and software from there. So there's not really a lot more I can say about the printer. It's not only a shipping label printer, it's basically most things thermal. As long as it's thermal paper, you should be able to use it, I'd say. I'd say if you can, if you're wanting to use it for receipts, I'm guessing that you'll be able to do 2 receipts with it. You can use labels for the kids. If the kids want to use it on the computer, they want to draw pictures on the computer, print them out on a sticky label. It's fun for the kids as well. So the kids can print labels out for themselves. It's like I say, you can use different size labels. I will just check what size labels it is to be sure. Right, the size of the labels, it supports many label sizes. 30 IB 40 wide, 120 I 80 millimeter width, 150 B100 which is 4x6, and then 100 B200 height. So it's like I say, it is a really good printer. I am impressed with it. I didn't think that it'd be much good, to be honest with it being so cheap. The price of this printer is $64.99 at Amazon. There's 2 versions of it. One is USB and one is Bluetooth. This is a USB version. ILA certified. The staff at Milestone are very friendly. They will get back to you very quickly. I have got a disclaimer as well on this printer. Milestone has not paid me to do this test or review. I am doing it off my own back because I am impressed with it. They've not paid me anything for doing it. They've not told me to what to say in me review or test. I've told Jason at Milestone that I do not believe in giving false reviews It is honest and unbiased, because it's pointless doing a biased an untrue review, because at the end of the day, buying the label on after a review is the whole idea of the review, so that you can see how good the product is. If I think the printer is not any good, I will tell you. I will not sugarcoat it for anybody. It's not worth it, because it looks bad on me and it looks bad on Milestone. So I will be honest with the reviews. Anyway, guys, that's all I can say about the printer. I will show you how to install the drivers, and I will show you the software it comes with. So if you give me a couple of minutes, I'll load the USB key up and show you. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this test and review, and hope it's been informative for you to make your mind up whether you want one of these or not. It's like I say, they are a good printer, the quick printers. They do a really nice print, as you've seen, and you've seen how fast it prints out. So anyway, until next time, peace out.